Shapes for kids.
Hello kids. Let's learn the basic 2D shapes.
What's our first shape? It's a circle. Circle. Now let's learn about some circle-shaped objects. What shape is the sun? It's circle. Circle. What shape is the clock? It's circle. Circle. What shape is the pizza? It's circle. Circle. And the donut? It's circle. The donut is circle. What about the shape of this cookie? It is circle. Now kids, can you give some more examples of the circle shape? Good job.
Now let's have a look at our next shape, a triangle. Let's see what objects are in triangle shape. What shape is the pizza slice? It's a triangle. Triangle. What shape is the ice cream cone? It's a triangle. Triangle. And what is the shape of these mountains? It's a triangle. Triangle. What shape is this birthday cap? It's a triangle. Triangle. What about this cheese slice? It's a triangle. A triangle-shaped cheese slice. Now kids, can you make a triangle shape using your fingers? Very good.
What shape do we have next? It's a square. A square shape. Let's learn about square-shaped objects. What shape is the window? It's a square. A square-shaped window. What shape is the biscuit? It's a square. Square. What shape are the dice? It's a square. The dice is square in shape. What shape is this photo frame? It's a square. A square-shaped frame. And what shape is this chessboard? It is a square. What's next?
A rectangle. Rectangle. Let's have a look at rectangle-shaped objects. What is the shape of this screen? A rectangle. Rectangle. What is the shape of the envelope? A rectangle. Rectangle. What is the shape of this door? A rectangle. Rectangle. And what is the shape of the cell phone? A rectangle. And this book? A rectangle. The book is rectangle in shape. Hey kids, can you spot a rectangle shape? A chocolate bar. The chocolate bar is rectangle in shape. What is the next shape? A semicircle. Repeat after me. Semicircle. Let's learn about semicircle-shaped objects. What is the shape of this umbrella? A semicircle. Semicircle. What is the shape of this watermelon slice? A semicircle. Semicircle. And the head of this jellyfish? A semicircle. Semicircle. What about this mushroom head? It's a semicircle in shape. Semicircle. Lastly, what is the shape of a rainbow? A semicircle. Semicircle.
Now what shape do we learn next? An oval. An oval shape. What shape is the egg? The egg is oval in shape. What shape is this ladybug? The ladybug is oval in shape. What shape is the mirror? The mirror is oval in shape. What shape is the balloon? The balloon is oval in shape. What shape is the fish? The fish is oval in shape. Can you spot an oval shape in this plate? Egg. Egg is oval in shape.
And the next shape we have is rhombus. It is also called a diamond shape. Let's learn about rhombus-shaped objects. A kite. The kite is rhombus in shape. Earrings. These earrings are rhombus in shape. A diamond on the ring. It is rhombus in shape. A wall clock. This wall clock is rhombus in shape. Now kids, can you spot a rhombus shape in the SpongeBob outfit? Good job. The necktie.
Which other 2D shape is left to learn, kids?
It's a star shape.
Now kids, can you name something that is star in shape? A starfish. Good job. Let's have a look at these other star-shaped objects.
Now, what is the last 2D shape? It's a heart shape. Heart. Have a look at these heart-shaped objects. Glasses, candies in the jar, perfume bottle, a diamond, and heart-shaped balloons. Hey kids, can you make a heart using your hands? Great job!
I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to give it a heart. See you again.